Hello guys, welcome to this session. Hope all of you are doing well. Now in this session I am going to give you a demonstration how to import your user defined packages in a program and use classes inside them. In last session I have shown you a practical demonstration for creating a package. Now we are going to use our package in next program. Packages are designed so that we can use them again and again for future programming, and that is why we are creating package and we are putting similar classes or interfaces in a package. Later on we can import these classes or interfaces and we can use them in our project or in our module. Now I am going to develop a small program in which we are going to import our user defined package, and there is a class that already we have created in last session, and now we are going to use the same class by importing it in a new program. So let us start our journey of testing how to import user defined package. Now let us begin with the program. Just like a previous session, in this session also I am going to use a simple notepad and DOS based compilation. So let us open a new notepad. Now this is a new notepad and let us try to write a program. Now to use existing class in a package we have to first import it. Either we have to give the full path or we can use the import statement. Now in last session we have created one package P1 and that contains a class P class, and we are going to use the same class in this program. Now here I am going to import. Now import keyword is used to make a remote class available locally in a current program. So import, what to import? We have to specify the package name. Now P1 is a package that we have created in last session. If you have missed the last session, just go back, watch it again and come back to this video. So P1, and we can specify the class name inside it. Class P that we have created. Okay, so P1 is a package name, and from that package we are importing class P for this program. And now I am going to just write class for this program. Now this is just for testing purpose, so I am just writing the test as a file name, and now we have to write public static void main string and just give the arguments. Now inside it I am going to create object of class P. Let us say the object name is X is equal to new class P. Now this is constructor, and once it is created I will just call a method that already we have written in a previous program, and the method name is again test. So x.test, end of main function and end of your class. This is a simple program. In this program we are importing package from user defined package. We are creating object for it and we are just calling a method inside it. Okay. Now let us try to compile this program, and I will explain what are the difficulties in compilation of such programs. Okay. So first let us save the program. Now this is the last time we have created a package P1. Now I am putting this, I am going to save this program outside this package. The program name is just test.java, and now let us try to compile the program. Okay, so you can see the command that we have used to create a package. At that time we have used a -d option. Okay, now while compiling the program that uses user defined packages, that imports user defined packages. Now here also we have to give some additional information to javac. But before that, I will try to show you what happens when you are compiling without mentioning anything like class path. Okay, just plain if you are trying to compile it, javac, and then if you are saying test.java, just like a regular program, it will give some it will create some problems. Okay, so here test.java, the file is compiled successfully. Now let us try to run the program. Okay, inside test of class P in P1. Now this is possible. Now the program is executed successfully, compiled successfully. This is because your current working directory contains your complete package that you are going to import. Okay, the program is saved in directory and the same directory contains your package also. Okay, now if you are doing it at some another location, it may not run. So in that case, what we can do is we can specify the class path. Okay, now how to specify the class path? javac hyphen, you can give the full word class path, or you can use a shortcut cp. Cp stands for class path. You can specify the directory from where you are importing packages, or the packages you are importing are stored in which location, and then you can specify the file name. Again the program will compile. Okay, you can run the program. Now these are the things that you have to remember. If you are compiling a program and if you are importing some packages and those packages are stored in some other directories, then you can specify its path where the packages are available by using -cp option, or you can put -class path full word, and then you have to specify the path where your packages are available. Only this thing that you have to remember, and you can use the program. The output you can see on a screen, and here you can see the output inside test of class P. Now class P is a class name in P1. So we have successfully imported P1 package in this program. Please do it practically, and if you are having some queries or anything else, you can put in a comment, or if you're having some new ideas, you can put it in comment. Here particularly I am using simple DOS command prompt to compile the programs and simple notepad to type the program. Now you can try it with different editors. I will also give you one more video in future where I will use some other editors like Eclipse or Visual Code, and I will show you how to create packages by using that editor also. So do it practically, put it in comment. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. Wish you happy learning and keep watching my videos. Thank you.